Alright, so I had candy in my mouth. We are on our way to go pick up Carlos's friend. We're gonna go down and watch the Chuckers basketball, girls basketball game, and then the boys basketball game. So we gotta go get one of Carlos's friend, Ethan. We're gonna do that, and then yeah, and then we're gonna go watch the game. So.
Yeah, we can do that. Try and do it, but well, maybe back to this. Yo, I got you. It comes to that, dude. It's really popular, like that's the inside.
It's that ON-OFF switch gets it all the time. Sasquatch, start the third quarter.
Let's go, ladies. Come on. Let's go, White.
Alright, so we're about to take the car to go get a car wash. New car wash opened up, so we're gonna go and check it out and see how that works. Yeah, and then I gotta get this system back to bumping the way it used to be, so I gotta redo some wires and stuff, so we'll try to get all that set up.
You can't slip when you're rolling through the hood without your strap.
Hands off the wheel. Find it. Ooh, look at that.
It's like blue.
Water.
There you have it. This car wash is pretty good actually, so it's neat because it has a little blower so you can clean the vents, and it has this little thing here to clean in between the seats and then the vacuum. So it's pretty good for 10 bucks. So yeah, this place is a lot of people coming to wash their cars today. Hello. Giant. That's what I'm getting now right there. The extra mile giant. Going with the Gatorade.
Oh, it's Gatorade Zero. Just kidding.
Hey, I was like, no. ruined my day.